Hello viewers, welcome to our channel English Tube. In this video, we will write 15 lines on the importance of trees. For more such videos, consider subscribing to our channel and hit that bell icon so that you never miss an update from our channel. First line is trees are essential for our planet and our lives. Second line is they are habitats for various animals contributing to biodiversity. Third line is they provide us with the oxygen we breathe. Fourth line is they also absorb harmful carbon dioxide. Fifth line is in addition to improve air quality, trees offer shade. Sixth line is they help prevent soil erosion by stabilizing the soil with their roots. Seventh line is they also reduce the heat in hot weather. Eighth line is thus help to combat climate change effectively. Ninth line is they are a valuable source of various products that we use daily. 10th line is they even make our surroundings more pleasant. Eleventh line is hence providing space for relaxation and recreation. Twelfth line is they are crucial for the well-being of our planet. Thirteenth line is we must take care of them. Fourteenth line is we should plant more trees and preserve the existing ones. Last line, that is line number 15, is this will ensure a greener and healthier future